Stop using ChatGPT, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your very own digital product in 24 hours or less, and how to speed up the process using AI, but not ChatGPT. I got something even more better. Now, ChatGPT is fine if you prefer to use that, but the only bad thing, in my opinion, is you have to do a lot of copying and pasting back and forth to whatever document you're trying to create. Also, another thing about ChatGPT, in order to do it effectively, you have to upgrade to the paid membership it has, and it costs anywhere from $20 to $26 every single month. The software I'm going to show you is only $27 one time, and you never have to make any other payments, and you'll be able to do more than ChatGPT when it comes to creating digital products, and faster. And the name of this tool is called Designrr.io. I absolutely love this software. It's one of the first softwares I started using when I first started creating my digital products, and it saves me so much time, and it's super affordable. And just by making a payment of $27, you're going to have access to so much more versus ChatGPT. You'll be able to use the AI software I'm going to show you in this video for that payment. You'll also be able to import documents from Google Doc and turn them into a digital product using AI. And also under this one-time payment plan, you can also turn your ebook into a flip book. Here's an example of one of my flip books right here. As you can see, the page is turned just by the click of the button, and the customer, whoever purchased your ebook, will be able to view your ebook in the form of like a book. Now, all the things I'm going to show you in this video, you'll be able to do under the $27 one-time payment plan. But if you upgrade, you'll be able to import PDF documents and turn them into an ebook. You can even import videos from off YouTube and other websites and turn them into an ebook, and also turn your podcast into an ebook as well using this software and or the AI software it contains. I think Designrr.io is a great investment, especially if you're serious about creating passive income with digital products. With the price being super affordable and you don't have to make any monthly payment plans, you'll get a bang for your buck. Down below this video, you'll see a link to click where it's going to take you to a page where once you make your purchase, you're going to get immediate access to all the tools and features of Designrr.io. Now let's get started. Now, once you complete your purchase and create your account, you're going to be in a page like this. Just go up under home and you'll be here. What you want to do is click on generate with WordGenie. WordGenie is Designrr.io's built-in AI software. Now, when you click the WordGenie, it's going to bring you to a page like this, and all you have to do is follow the simple prompt. So we're going to just click next. It's going to ask you what your topic or your niche is. The first thing you want to know in any business is knowing who your audience is, or your topic and or your niche. Now, just for educational purposes, I put in selling PLR digital products to make passive income. Of course, you're going to choose the appropriate language and then click next. On the next page, it's going to ask you to choose some sub niches. As you can see, it's going to give you some auto-generated options to choose from. Pick the one closest to your niche and then just move on. Just trust the AI. It pretty much knows what it's doing. All you have to do is just make sure you pick the one that's closest to your niche as possible. If whatever it generates doesn't work for you, all you have to do is click on regenerate, and it's going to give you some more options. Then you're going to click next. It's going to bring you to a page right here where you can specify who your audience is going to be. You could choose anything from health, wealth, and relationships. So you could do fitness, or fitness gym owners, or fitness coaches, or people trying to lose weight, or you could also do people trying to make money online. But for educational purposes, I chose 9-to-5 workers because this is the main topic and the target audience I'm trying to reach with this ebook. But when you're done, just click on next. Next is going to ask you to choose the appropriate title. It's going to also give you some more options. If you don't like any of those options, you can just click regenerate. For this tutorial, I'm just going to click on the first one and then click next. On this page, it's going to ask you to give the tone of your ebook, basically what you want the feel and the vibe to be of your ebook. So if you want it to be humorous, if you want it to be serious, whatever you want, you have the options to put that information here. I'm just going to click the drop down menu and I'm going to go with encouraging. And then you can give a theme of the project right here, and it also gives you some topics or some options right here. We're going to do digital marketing. The theme of the project is going to be kind of like the images and the graphics it's going to choose that's going to be appropriate for your ebook. Also down here, you can add in the most popular themes. If you see one, just pick the closest one to your niche. I'm going to do digital marketing, education, and then also spiritual self-development. And then we're going to click next. Now on the next page, it's going to give you an outline of your digital product. So you'll see it's broken down into chapters. So chapter 1 is the introduction, and then these are all the titles under that chapter, and it goes on and on and on. Again, if you don't like these, you can click regenerate and it's going to give you some more options. But if everything looks good, all you have to do is click on next. And here's where you'll see the final version of your ebook. Right now it's generating the ebook right before our eyes. It's taking all the information that we gave it and turning it into a digital product that we can actually download and sell and resell over and over again. On this part, just be a little patient and let the AI work. It could take anywhere from 3 to 10 minutes. But when it's done, it's going to let you know. All right, so the ebook finally finished and the whole process took about 5 to 7 minutes. But here's the finished product. We have all of our titles, all of our chapters, all done for us. As you can see, if we scroll down, it's all completely done for me. And I didn't even have to type any words. Now, the next step after it completes this process, you want to click on Choose Template. Now, under the one-time payment of $27 plan, you won't have access to all of the templates, okay? But you do have a lot of options to choose from. What you want to do is pick the one that's closest to the theme of your actual digital product and the topic and the niche. But if you see one that you really like, but it's not under the plan that you purchased, you can simply just upgrade. But I'm just going to pick this one right here called Splatter, and it's going to give you a preview right here. You can even check out all the pages by clicking down below to give you an idea of what the layout and the feel of the ebook is going to be. But once you like what you see, you can just click Use This Template. Once you do that, it's going to bring you into the editor to where you can change things like the colors and the graphics. You could change some of the words. You could change the fonts, and you'll be able to do all of those things over here in this tab. Just simply click on whatever element. For example, this is a text element, and you'll see the windows change, and you can choose different styles, change the sizing of it, change the color of the fonts. You can even make them all left aligned or center aligned, whatever you like, the spacing of it, and add backgrounds and many, many other things. And if you click elements in the top left-hand corner, you can import content, add a new page, do page breaks, table of contents. You can even embed videos or audio, add a QR code and a call to action. This is great if you're trying to sell something in this ebook. But pretty much when you get here, you can make any additional or last minute changes in your ebook right in the Designrr.io ebook editor. But once you're done, all you have to do is come down here to the bottom left-hand corner and click publish. And then it's going to ask you how you want to publish it. Of course, if you just have the one-time payment plan and you didn't upgrade, you're going to only have the option of turning it into a PDF or a flip book. So just for the tutorial of this video, I'm going to choose the PDF form, and then we're going to click on export. Then it's going to lead you to this page right here saying it might take up to 30 minutes. It usually doesn't take anywhere near that time, but all you have to do is click on continue, and it's going to actually email you when it's done. And as you can see, it sent me the email right here. So we're just going to click that email, and then it's going to give you a link to check it out. You also get your flip book link. So let's check this out right here. And here's our flip book. We could just click like this, and it's going to flip the pages, which is pretty cool. But also, if you want to download the PDF, all you have to do is just click this, and I've already done that. And now it's also in PDF mode, or we could just scroll down and read it. And you can give your customers whatever option you want. You can either send them the link in the PDF form or a flip book. It's totally up to you. So now that you have your digital product, it's all ready. You got the links and everything. You might be asking yourself, how do you make money with it? Well, that's why you want to watch the video popping up on your screen, because when you pair what you just learned in this video with what you're going to learn in the next, it's going to make you way more powerful. Till then, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm out.